What's good, guys? Today is August 25th. Ended up taking a long position today, so let's break down exactly why I took this trade. So going into New York Session Open here, we had some clean draws and liquidity on both sides. I'll jump on the 4-hour here and show you guys this bullish 4-hour gap that we had. So as we can see, had a pretty large 4-hour bullish gap right here, and off of New York Session Open, price came down and tapped into this bullish gap, and we got a super clean reaction back to the upside, as we can see off of this wick here, and ended up pushing higher. So drop back into the 1 minute. We'll zoom in here. So off New York Session Open, we immediately had a push to the downside. We came down and swept out these 1-hour lows right here. Obviously, we were also delivering out of that bullish 4-hour gap that I just showed. And we had really, really good momentum back to the upside. As we can see, after the sweep, we immediately change direction, buyers step in, have a really clean push back to the upside, and we had a bearish 1 minute and 2 minute gap here. So obviously I wanted to see both of those get inversed, and they got inversed on the same candle, which was this candle right here. So that is where I entered long, and I was targeting these London highs up here. You could have also targeted these 1-hour highs here as well. Would have been a super good spot to take partials if you like to take partials. But for me, I would have held the whole position up here to London high. Just looked like a super clean draw for price to move to. And as we can see, it did end up moving there, but it did stop me out before moving there. So after I entered, I was planning to go break even off of the high right here from the 930 candle, top of the wick there. And obviously we didn't get to my break even point. We reversed back to the downside, stopped me out. We didn't even resweep liquidity, which is the most annoying thing. Obviously sucks. So we didn't even resweep liquidity, and we're delivering out of nowhere. We don't even take a low. We're not delivering out of a fair value gap, nothing. So we come down, don't even resweep liquidity. We're delivering off of nothing, and then we reverse back to the upside and go directly to my TP. So obviously it sucks, but there's really nothing you can do, because these setups, if you continue to take them over a long period of time, they're going to play out the majority of time. The last two trades that I've taken, so last Thursday and then today, these are super similar setups that just did not go our way. And obviously, as you guys might know, August is historically not the best month for price action. So there's really nothing you can do here. This was a super clean setup. So if you guys took this, really good job. There's nothing to be mad at yourself about for taking this setup, because it was A+, really clean setup. And yeah, a loss is a loss. The only thing you can do is not revenge trade and just move on from it. So gonna be moving into tomorrow. We got a long week ahead, a lot of trading left this week. So I'm excited for the rest of the week, and I'll be back on here tomorrow with another recap. Peace.